What's up, food lovers? Today we're going all in on beef. 4 epic recipes that'll have your taste buds doing a happy dance. From that cozy, slow-simmered classic beef stew to a cheesy beef lasagna that's straight fire, Italian-style wraps that'll blow your mind, and the juiciest meatballs you'll ever cook. We're talking serious comfort food vibes right here. Let's get cooking, y'all! Craving something cheesy, creamy, and quick? These air-fried lasagna-style wraps are gonna blow your mind. All right, let's make them fast. Heat your pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add 330 grams of minced meat. Once it browns, mix in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Stir well. Now for that creamy kick. Add 4 tablespoons of cream cheese, then season with 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano, garlic, and salt. Let it simmer for 6 minutes, then take it off the heat. Grab your wrap, spread 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of that meat filling, and top it with a handful of mozzarella. Fold it up, place it seam side down, brush the top with tomato sauce, and sprinkle more mozzarella. Air fry at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes until golden and melty. Serve with some greens. It tastes just like lasagna, but way faster.
Want to know the secret to the juiciest meatballs ever? Stick around because this recipe's foolproof and packed with flavor. Start with 3 slices of white bread, no crusts, diced up. Soak them in 2/3 cup of cold water till it's like applesauce. Add 3 minced garlic cloves and 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Set that aside. Now toss in 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of ground pork, 1/4 cup Parmesan, 1 egg, that garlic and parsley mix, 1 teaspoon salt, and ½ teaspoon black pepper. Mix gently, don't overdo it or they'll get tough. Scoop them out, about 22 to 24 meatballs. Roll them with wet hands. Heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. Sauté till golden brown, about 8 minutes total. They should hit 160 degrees Fahrenheit inside. Serve with marinara, over pasta, and hoagie rolls, or toss in gravy, barbecue, or teriyaki sauce. You can even freeze them for up to 2 months. Super meal prep friendly. That's it. Easy, juicy, perfect every time.
If you've never made homemade lasagna before, this 3-cheese version will ruin restaurant lasagna for you forever. It's saucy, beefy, cheesy, and unbelievably good. Start with 9 lasagna noodles, cook them in salted water until al dente, then rinse with cold water so they don't stick. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil, add 1 pound of ground beef and 1 small diced onion, sauté until browned, toss in 2 minced garlic cloves, a splash of 1/4 cup red wine or beef broth, and let it evaporate. Stir in 3 cups of marinara sauce, ½ a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon thyme, ½ a teaspoon sugar, and 2 tablespoons parsley. Simmer for 5 minutes. Mix 16 ounces cottage cheese, 15 ounces ricotta, 1 cup mozzarella, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons parsley until creamy. In a 9x13 dish, spread a little sauce, layer noodles, sauce, cheese mix, and mozzarella. Repeat 3 times. Top with sauce and more mozzarella. Cover with foil, use toothpicks so it doesn't stick, and bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes, then broil for a golden crust. Let it rest for 30 minutes, slice it up, and just look at that cheese pull. It's juicy, flavorful, and totally worth the wait. Try this recipe at home and tell me if it beats your favorite restaurant.
This is our family's classic beef stew. Rich, hearty, and the beef just melts in your mouth. Start by sauteing 6 ounces of chopped bacon until golden. Then set it aside. Toss 2 pounds of chopped beef with ½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 cup flour. Brown it in that bacon fat, both batches, then pour in 2 cups of red wine to deglaze the pot. Now add 1 pound of thick sliced mushrooms and simmer for 10 minutes. In another pan, sauté 4 carrots, 1 diced onion, and 4 minced garlic cloves in 2 tablespoons olive oil. Stir in 1 tablespoon tomato paste, then add it all to the pot. Pour in 4 cups beef broth, 2 bay leaves, ½ teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon black pepper, plus the bacon and beef. Mix in 1 pound of small potatoes, cover it, and bake at 325 degrees F for 1 hour, 45 minutes. It's ready when the beef is fall-apart tender and the house smells amazing. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve with crusty bread. Like, share, and subscribe to Ciao America for more comfort food magic.